Yo, what's up, everybody? Okay, we're on World 3000. Sorry I'm posting this literally the next day, but I completely forgot. We need this to be lowered, this to be lowered. Apply, done, done. Back to game, dig, dig. And we're going to be back there in just a second. Yep. Hello? The lag is unreal from all chickens. I'm recording this literally the next day. So I'm probably going to end up recording the other one too. I was just playing Donut and forgot about the challenge, I'm not gonna lie. So my plan for today is just go mining. That's literally all I have to do today. Just go mining. That's all I really want to do today. I do need the torches. Wait, no. We're building the farm. Yes, that's what we're doing. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, no. They'll be here. Okay. Now we just gotta line up this one and this one. Line it there. Okay. Now we just gotta come up here and get the water bucket. Did we put that one there? We did. Okay. My dog is in my lap right now because I forgot to lock her out of my film. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just going to, and I forgot to put the clock up. Why is that a 0-minute clock? Hold on. Man, I wish I could edit this part out. Minecraft timer. Okay, there it is. Okay, 20 minutes is started now. I don't know how Ryan doesn't forget his timer out without editing. Okay, and now we can use our hoe to till all of the grass. Yeah, this will work. Okay, so this is going to be our wheat farm. We're going to go ahead and place some wheat. I honestly was about to go to bed and then I realized, oh, I need to record my video. That's how late it is. I think I'm recording this at, 1:03 a.m. I did not want to miss today. Just get the 20 minutes over with and then go to bed. Okay. We're just going to go ahead and make this farm. And then, so tomorrow I'm planning on downloading the mod for the chickens to where there's not so many. You know what I mean? But, yeah. Oh, and that's so satisfying. Commentary's actually so hard, just to keep talking. Hey, it's a spotted horse. Like, it's so hard. I don't know how people just can constantly talk. Today, I found this new game on Fortnite. It's like Dunk or something. Me and my cousin played it for so long. It was so fun, though. Let's see here. Gonna build a single chest to put all of our shovels in. We probably will need those in the future, but as of now, we do not need them. We're going to make 2 hoes, because why not? We have so much iron that it doesn't really matter. So people keep on telling Ryan if he puts flowers around his garden, it'll grow faster. Now, I've never personally heard of this. I've heard that if you get flowers on each side and put bees next to it, the bees will pollinate the field or whatever, and make that work or something. But I don't know. I'll let Ryan do whatever he wants to. I don't think he's taken my advice at all yet. Kinda sad, but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, okay. Bro, why are there so many horses? Oh, this is one too far. Yeah, and there's a strip down the middle here where it's too far too. I messed it up a little bit. That's okay. I knew making 2 of them would be a good idea. Got 14 minutes left and we're finishing up the farm now. Okay. I think it's about bedtime. Okay. Do we have any wheat seeds? We do. Okay. Okay, bro. It's 100% nighttime already. We're gonna place these seeds and then we'll go to bed. Oh, did I show you guys my new skin? So it's not finished yet, but my sister's working on my skin. Isn't it awesome? It's not done yet, of course, but this is awesome. It's really cool. I really like it. And it's not even finished yet, is the best part. So there's even more going to be added to it. Hi, Iron Golem. Gonna go sleep now. Got 13 minutes on the clock. And we got our farm in operation. That was nice. Okay. We have tons of dirt, so what I say we do is this. I need to learn how to drag click. People place blocks so fast while drag clicking. I'm not a professional Minecrafter, but I know quite a bit about the game. Should I make a Dr. Donut videos? Like Donut SMP videos? I don't know. I feel like that's a very overused content or something. Like, it's a big server. I've thought about doing like lifesteal videos, but their server's not very good because it's newer. They just got into the business of that. I can't even place blocks like this. Imagine trying to speed bridge. There's a lot of people that can do it out there. I am not one of them. Yeah, we're going on top to do this. Doing it from the bottom's hard. Apparently is from top too. We'll probably get one more row of dirt down, and then we'll run out. And hopefully from AFKing, all of this will grow. It's not that lot. I don't AFK very much. I try not to save electricity. Uh-oh. Come on. None. Yeah, this gives us a running path in between it all. Okay. Get more wheat up here. Get Fortune 3, it'll give us more seeds. Got 9 minutes left. Go ahead and place all these. Okay. Now we can go mining. Okay. We have a lot of wood in there. A lot more than I thought we had. I don't have torches on us, do we? Yeah, we don't. Hey, I was about to say all the villagers aren't in my room this time, but I guess they're stuck in that corner. Okay. Where are the torches at? I don't see them anywhere. Hello? They might be outside. I probably just missed it, honestly. Bro. I hate villagers. Hey, there's lava there. Next time we try and loot a bastion, might actually use Don't take it from there. Go up here. And still mess something up. The torches aren't in here. Hey, we have a lava bucket in here. Okay, use that to loot the bastion. I don't see our torches. They might be down there with all the chickens, but I really don't want to do that. Guess we're going in blind. There's gravel. Maybe we'll find coal and have torches. When there's like 30 seconds left, or no, more than 30 seconds. When there's like 2 minutes left, we'll head back up. That way we don't run out of time to AFK. More dirt. Might get Fulbright. Seems like Ryan's just allowing any mod, so. Plus, we don't have to go off of his rules. We can do whatever we want. It's his challenge, but we can make up our own rules. It's not like anybody cares, right? Oh, crap. We'll just do that. Make it a little bit faster. Do we not have coal? I feel like I'm missing something. Something... Oh! That's cool. We have trims. Okay, we do have coal. 1 piece. Not nighttime. Put it there. Go down quite a ways. Hey, that's pretty nice. And I removed blocks from there. Is that an ore? It's raw copper. Hey, that looks like coal. It is coal. And we're... Oh, no, we have sticks. Okay. Hey! So it doesn't always give you XP, does it? When you mine coal. It's just every once in a while it does. At least we have this for next video. Place torch in there, that way mobs don't spawn. Got 2 minutes. Cave noises. It's always fun to hear. There's some iron. We have so much of that I'm not worried about it. Oh, is that a cave? It is. Well, that's perfect time to go back up to the surface. Got 55 seconds to get all the way up. We'll dig into the side if we don't make it. Oh, I think we are. Yeah, we made it. Nice. Got 30 seconds spare. Go sleep. Oh wait, mobs don't spawn a ton. We have a clerk. Or, where are you? Clerk? Or, I don't know. Brewing stand, dude. Oh, there's coal right there. That would have been nice to know. Okay, we're going to mine into the wall here. Place those. Place torch. Place water bucket. The water bucket's so we don't catch on fire. I don't know why we would, but it's there. Alright. See you guys next time. Bye!